Hey guys, Thunder E here, and we're posing that final question with this bad boy. The Nokia Steel HR. I've been using it for 3 months. I've done 3 videos on this. You definitely check that out. Use the cards to see more about that. But the question remains in the title is, should you buy the Nokia Steel HR? Now, this is a fitness watch, and I have to tell you, this video is also brought to you by Nokia. So all thoughts, opinions are my own, and we'll see what I decide at the very end. Now, the Steel HR is a really good smartwatch in terms of fitness smartwatches. Now, this is not built like a traditional smartwatch. It doesn't have that OLED display, and it's not steered to that angle. It looks like a regular watch. It does have a nice little display inside, of course, the watch itself, which allows you to navigate through some of the options you have. So you're looking at, maybe your heart rate, you're looking at the steps you've taken that day, you're looking at the distance you've covered, and you're also looking at your battery life. Now, there's basically 2 batteries in here. One is for, of course, the OLED display, as well as also reading your heart rate, and there's a battery that just houses the regular analog watch. Now, what this device actually gives you is something that I do like. First of all, it's got a very stylish look, which means it looks like a regular watch. You can change the watch straps quite easily, but it's rubberized, or if you want a leather strap. So aesthetically, it fits well, at least for my lifestyle. Now, how is it using day to day? I will confess, I didn't use it every single day. Again, I'm still not used to using fitness bands and watches as effectively, but I wanted to see how well I would try with that. So using it as a sleep tracker, I failed there, didn't do that well. But using it to see how well I did with workouts, I was pretty consistent with that, at least for most of my time. And I found it to be quite accurate. And I also liked what they did software-wise, where it was able to show me how it's doing from week to week, day to day. Also combining, of course, with the Nokia, the scale itself, seeing how much I weigh, my BMI, all that stuff brought in together makes it quite easy to actually track some of that information. Now, while I do like the application, I still wish it was more extensive, giving me the ability to bring in all the tools and all the apps into it so that I can actually do more of true fitness tracking if I was geared to that. Like for me, this personally I think fits my own lifestyle because the battery life is actually fantastic. You've got 2 weeks of battery life on this thing. I'm not exactly sure the exact amount Nokia says, but I was able to do 2 weeks working out with this almost every day, or at least every other day. If I was doing about 3 days a week in terms of workouts, checking out my heart rate and also tracking, I was able to use it for about 2 weeks. If I used it on a day-to-day basis, like 5 days a week, then my battery life cut down a little bit more. But still, it lasted quite a bit. Now, of course, when the battery dies or goes down to about 1%, you can still use the watch just for general watch purposes. Now, I will say though that I wish it had more functionality in some smart aspects, but again, it's not geared for that. So that's just me doing wishful thinking. Does this fit everyone? No, it really doesn't. This is not for everyone. This is not for the hardcore fitness junkie, one who's looking to get all the specific stats that fit your fitness lifestyle. This is for somebody who is more casual, who want something that's stylish, and when they go to the gym, they don't have to swap it out. They have a nice smartwatch, or at least a nice watch that can track some of their basic essentials, and that's where this stays. It tracks your basic essentials like your heart rate and your steps and distance. If you want more, you have to get something more. But I think for this kind of customers, this is where the Nokia Steel HR actually fits, and it does a really good job at that aspect. So for me, I'll say it is worth buying if you're looking for specifically that. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it with the Nokia Steel HR. I do like it. It fits a specific need, and hopefully maybe that's your need if you're looking for that. But if you want to pick one up, definitely use our link down below. Otherwise, guys, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.